Hey, what's happening, Sneaky Heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In this video, we got that what? That
Weekly.
weekly heat, baby.
Yes,
That
sir.
weekly heat.
Yes, sir.
These are the hottest shoes that have come out from April 6th to the April 12th. I'll let my brother go ahead and start off.
So on April the 12th, we do have the Air Jordan 3s, the sale in metallic silver. This is a women's pair of shoes. Price point for those are going for $200. Jordan brand. I don't know why you guys are with these price points, where you going with these price points. Well, let's put some thought behind this price point. $200 Jordan brand for a female pair of tennis shoes. Come on. Hey, drop us a comment down below. Either you agree or disagree, but either way, $200 for that price point, ridiculous. But I love the shoe. I really love the shoe. It's a clean shoe. I like what they did with the heel and the 4 foot, right? With that foil, light aluminum foil, right? They went away from the elephant print, right? And went with that foil light, right? But it really left me speechless. They kept the laces white. Why wouldn't you go gray? Or like I said on previous just incorporate one lace with two colors. But either way, like this shoe, it's a clean shoe for the summer. So I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
So I am a three-man, but unfortunately, I will be dropping these. I just don't like the look with that gray on the foil, the gray around the heel with that foil tab. Just really doesn't make a match. I wish that they would have chose a different color to make the shoe a little pop a little bit more. But let us know your thoughts and opinions down in the comments, sneakerheads. So moving on to the next shoe. This shoe is coming out on April the 13th. This is the day of the Mamba. So if you don't know or know, every year we do have Mamba Day now from Nike. And they're trying to do something special this year with the Kobe Bryant. And this is the Nike Kobe 8 Procho. What the did first appear 12 years ago. And now they're bringing it back this year for Mamba Day 2025 on April the 13th. It does come at a price point of $190 retail. So this is a very unique shoe. It kind of reminds you of a weather pattern. One shoe is like bluish and purple, and the other shoe is greenish and red. And I will just go over the major hits because this is a kind of hard shoe to describe unless you see it in hand. One of the things that stand out on the blue pair is that Kobe signature in red. As they move around to the other pictures, it will have Nike across it, which is very different from what I've seen in the past. I don't know if the original had that on that blue pair. It does look like it's some type of 3M on that shoe. And then if we look at the back of the shoes on the green pair also, we do see the Kobe Stealth logo, which is very unusual. As you can see, the compare and contrast on the back, one of them has a Stealth logo. Looking at the back of the tongue, so both of these shoes are very unique. We'll be rocking these just because what Kobe meant to the basketball and the world. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about these. What do you think about these, my brother?
You know what? I'm really liking the shoes. I really like what they're doing on that date, April the 13th. It look like they're coming out with 3 pair, right? So I'm really liking that. I like how they incorporating the MLB into this, that the Dodgers. So I'm really liking them. Hey, I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. And plus, I was a Kobe fan as well. Will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others.
peace.